In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert image to video in Luma AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a single photo and turn it into a short, dynamic video using Luma's browser-based tools. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Luma AI. In the results, click the official listing that reads Luma AI Agents for Creative Work. This takes you to Luma's homepage, where you'll see a clear call to action. Click. Try Luma to open the app interface in your browser. This launches the creative workspace where the magic happens. Inside the workspace, look for the attachment icon, often a small paper clip, near the message or prompt box. Click it and choose the image you want to animate from your computer. Crisp, high-resolution photos usually produce the best results, especially when the subject is well lit and not overly cluttered. If you can, pick an image with a clear focal point and enough background detail to suggest movement. Once your image is attached, focus on the prompt field. This is where you describe the animation you want Luma to create from your photo. Think of your prompt like a director's note. Be specific about motion, mood, and camera feeling. For example, you might say, subtle, natural movement that brings the scene to life, gentle camera push-in, soft cinematic lighting, realistic textures. If your image has a person or a subject you want to emphasize, call it out in simple terms such as animate the hair and clothing slightly in the breeze, or add a slow pan across the skyline. Aim for clarity over length. Precise words like slow, dramatic, smooth, cinematic, or handheld help shape the result. If you're going for a particular vibe, you can mention mood words like dreamy, energetic, or moody, and lighting cues like golden hour or overcast. With your image attached and your prompt written, click Submit to generate. Luma will process your request for a moment. You'll see a progress indicator, and then the generated video will appear. Watch it through to check whether the motion, style, and camera feeling match your intent. If something feels off, maybe the movement is too strong or the tone isn't right, adjust a few key words in your prompt and submit again. Small changes like swapping intense for subtle or adding gentle camera drift can make a big difference. That's the whole workflow. Search Luma AI, open the app, attach your image, write a clear, focused prompt, and submit to generate. With a bit of iteration, you'll quickly turn still photos into compelling motion clips ready for your projects.